Hey guys, welcome back to the Two Wheel Troubadour channel. I wanted to do another product spotlight. This is the Ogio Mach 5 backpack, what they refer to as the no drag backpack. Hard shell, really cool unit. You know, this is one of those products where when you know, you pull the trigger on something because it's a little pricey, but you just, you know, you've read the reviews, you like what you're seeing, and this is one that didn't disappoint, at least for me. Your mileage may vary, but for me, this backpack just continues to impress. I love the engineering and the quality that went into making this backpack. Let me take you on a little tour of it. Back here, we've got a faux carbon fiber look. Can you see that? Let's see if the camera can get in there. Nice pinstriping, nice design, nice and sleek. Okay, undo this chest thing. Let's open it up and see what we got inside, because this is, to me, this is where it really starts to shine. When you look at how much is offered here, what this backpack is capable of doing here, and specifically for the motorcyclist, you know, but I think technically anybody can use this. It'd be a cool backpack for any use, but you know, of course it's designed for motorcyclists, and even specifically sport riders. So inside here we've got nice cargo area. It's big enough that you can hold a pretty good amount of things in there. It's not a huge backpack by any means. I forgot the exact square footage of it, but it's very usable, especially if you're commuting to like work, because it's got a nice place for your laptop and your notebooks, pins, and any kind of miscellaneous things. We have multiple. Let's see if we can get in here and show you some of this stuff. Pin holders, pocket here, a pocket here, a zippered pocket here, okay? Another pocket here. I've got some earplugs in there. Big pocket here for something like a notebook. Then you have your laptop pocket right in here, which fits a nice, I just happen to have a laptop, and slide that right in there. That's a full-size MacBook. Put it right down in there. Got a nice little secure, elastic secure band there. That's cool. And then a big pocket behind it for a notebook or miscellaneous things. Hook for a hydration pack. Nice storage options there. Inside, let's flip it over this way. Inside, I think it's a really cool feature. We have a pocket for your visor. So this is a great option if you're going to be coming home in the dark and you want to carry your clear visor. You can swap it out. It's got a dedicated spot and sleeve and Velcro to hold that right in place where it needs to go. I love it. Nicely engineered and designed. Here on the sides we've got elastic for your shoes. It's even got a little picture there. So when you got your boots, you know, and you got your riding boots on and you need to swap out to some sneakers when you get to work or something, there you go. And it has a little cargo tie down, cargo net, which is a nice feature. Keep things nice and secure in there so they don't go flying all over. Up here we've got just a little nicely padded pocket for miscellaneous. Let's see, that about does it there. This is a really cool feature too. I'll flip it over. You need a little bit more space. It does have an expansion. So just unzip this like here, and boom, you've got another, you know, I don't know exactly what they say it expands to, but it's probably another cubic foot or so. Just enough to give you that extra little room if you need it, right? I really like this design. And I have to say it's a very comfortable backpack. Let me zip this back up and I'll show you the nice padded shoulder harness, okay, with adjustable chest, clips, adjustable straps down here. You do have this you have this waist pack here, so that this is cool too, because you can put your phone in this pouch, phone and wallet in this pouch, and that way if you need to stop and make a call or something, you don't have to dig through take your backpack off and dig through it to get your phone. It's right here. And as a lot of you guys know, you go to put your phone in your jacket. Most bike jackets nowadays, either whether it's leather or a summer jacket, they've got dedicated pockets for phones. But for some reason, they always seem to be too small for modern cell phones. This fits my iPhone 10 perfectly. Also, I think using this waist strap helps secure the backpack more. It feels better when I use the waist strap as opposed to when I don't. I think it just feels better, especially when I have a laptop in the back and I've got a pretty good amount of weight in there. I think it just feels better to have the waist strap on there. Other than that, that's about it. Build quality on this thing feels excellent, and I know through some other folks that have these, that have had them for quite a long time, they last. They're built really rugged. They will hold up. So there you go, folks. That's a little tour of my Ogio Mach 5 no drag backpack. So if you're interested in getting a backpack for your bike, I hope this helped. I would highly recommend it. Yes, they are a little pricey. Is it worth it? I'll let you be the judge of that. To me, every time I use this thing, I just am thrilled with it. I just think it's fantastic. I love it. So there you have it. I hope that helps, and we'll see you next time on the Two Wheel Troubadour channel. See ya.